effort of the following people. Following church for the stage decoration, we have Angeline Ocoy, Maria Janet Osorio, Sir Rocky Villar, mga anak, Yope Onyo, at Pearl Ata. For the food and refreshment, we have Ma'am Profi, Ma'am Zora, Ma'am Musa, and Ma'am Adelina. For the program, we have Ma'am Yvonne, Joking, Ma'am Mila Andoy, Ma'am Lida Agnes. For the fashion bouquet, we have Ma'am Rodelin Pajardo, Ma'am Corpas, Ma'am Regina Nike, Ma'am Dora Maya, Ma'am Ivy Chirote. For the physical arrangement, we have Monica Casate, Ma'am Gina Cordel, Jessamine Villar, and Sir Rocky Jeffrey Villamosa. We would like to acknowledge also the birthday officials for giving us one night. And also the CCS faculty and students headed by our principal, Mrs. Josephine C. Pacardo. This is the honorable senator or lady ceremony for this evening. Thank you everybody for coming and good night. Picture.
May picture na may video.
Disebut siya nga, pa-picture. Ha?
Ako na yung picture.
Mong kono we.
Oh, just video na ako, just.